Okay, so moments of insanity number 2. This time, me and Joe are watching football, Tecmo Bowl style. Pointed at the TV. Here's Vince Young. Ready, down. You should have threw it. It's a much funnier sound effect when you actually throw the ball, Vince Young. Way to go, jackass. So anyway, while waiting for the next play to start, and Vince Young, not running like a scared bitch, acting to toss it, because that's the best part. So anyway, what prompted this video is the fact that I have an insane love. Oh wait, the punt! He touched the ball into the play. So anyway, what caused this whole thing is that I love Tecmo Bowl. Like, it is one of the best, easy dummy video games ever because it's just hilarious. So anyway, it's just, there's not a touchdown on TV. I feel like I need to do the sound effects so that you get to see what a touchdown really is. So, imagine you're watching, say, a Colts game with Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning gets down under center. Ready, down! There has to be like 23 cuts before you punt. Reggie Wayne's like streaking down the field. He's throwing like a deep ball. Ball still in the air. Oh my God, he fucking caught it. He's running to the end zone. He's like dodging dudes now. And then he gets to the end zone. Touchdown! He's going up for the high five, and who's there? Dallas Clark. Oh, high five! And then they kick the extra point, and then Vinatieri comes out. Good! And that right there is Tecmo.